Hello everybody, thank you for tuning in. So we have a PS5 HDMI port replacement. It's a fun one to say the least. Let's go ahead and get this cleared out. Tips are never expected, but always welcome. Got rid of this. Alright, now it looks like we could finally do the repair. I'll be sure to take that. I'll be sure to take care of that for you as well. Sorry, it's like 4 a.m. or something. I don't like that. Alright, let's clear these out so we could assess the other side. Alright, luckily no torn pads. I will gladly take it. Pardon the noise. Oh, it's gotta do a reboot. Sounds like they left a game in there. And yay! So we are back in action. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment, subscribe as well, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thanks for dropping in.